All right. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, some light. Okay. Let's see what this looks like on the preview here. Guess I can't see it. That's fine. Alright. Well, I brought a couple of tools, including a screwdriver. So start by pulling this panel off. And it's the pressure switch here, or not the pressure switch, that's the panel open switch, just to tell the unit that the panel's been opened, so it shuts off the power to the board. And up here we have the exhaust fan and some pressure switches. So I brought some Allen wrenches here to try and clear the... Oh yeah, it looks plugged. It's probably hard to see in the... Now that I've got a light on it, I can definitely tell there's something plugging it, and that might have been... It had like some white corrosion in there. That might have been all it was. So let's see if I put this tube back on. And really, this is an aftermarket pressure switch here that I don't think it's any good. I mean, it is good, but I don't think it's very good. I might replace it with the better one that I brought with me. We'll see. Definitely this tube is a little bit on the short side, which is why the switch has been bent over a little bit. And it's got like a janky little homemade conversion for the wires because it's different connectors. Alright, so if I hold down the... I'll turn the light down a little bit. It's the exhaust fan running. And if it detects enough pressure here, or vacuum actually, it should go ahead and light the burners, which are up there. And if it doesn't detect enough vacuum, oh, there we go. Alright, we got ignition, so that's a good sign. I bet you that was plugged. That's probably all that it was. Alright, so now let's reassemble everything. I'm hoping that was all I gotta do. Even though I have all these extra switches and parts and may not even have to bother. So I'm going to tighten these thumb screws and then back them off just a little bit so that if I have to get in here with my fingers in the future instead of a screwdriver, that's an option. This lower panel is kind of fussy. There we go. Alright, triggered the on switch. So it's blowing the exhaust, which goes up and out the roof there. And this is the inlet for the exhaust fan. I can feel air going past it, so it's definitely pulling. Alright. Wait a minute. I hear ignition. I see flame. Maybe that was it. Glad I came up here prepared this time, just in case. I was kind of sick of traveling up into the attic just to find out that I couldn't fix the problem. Okay, sounds like everything's on. Work my way back out of the attic here. On my way out, I'll shut off the work lights and I'll turn the brightness back up on my GoPro. There we go. Okay. My way back over to the storage area. Whole house fan. All right, I'm going to turn the video off here.